Hello everyone and welcome to the latest installment of our vlog. Today, we are standing outside of Plainview number 6. This is a brand new construction on our subdivision right in Plainview. We brought you here in the beginning before this lot was divided. We brought you back before we closed the walls. And today, we've got a tour of the finished product. From the attic to the basement, this home is perfect, it's complete, it has a certificate of occupancy, and you can start enjoying it from the moment you move in. For those of you that have been joining me on these previous home tours, many of the things that you see you've come to expect. That pinnacle level of finish, everything included from the day you move in, double car driveway, PVC fence, patio, sprinklers, sod, spray foam insulation, all the basic things that you've come to expect. 2x6 frame, Anderson 400 series windows, they're all included here. And for those of you joining us for the first time, this is going to be a treat. You're gonna get to see what you really should be getting for your money on a finished build. We're not gonna be chasing the builder around for shower doors, for toilet paper holders, or towel bars, or mirrors. Closets are done. From the moment you move in, you're gonna start enjoying this home today. For those of you that have seen Plainview number 4, this layout is gonna look very familiar. On a 70 by 100 lot, we can only build so big of a house. So we took those same plans, made some very slight tweaks in quality, and present to you Plainview number 6. This is your typical Central Hall colonial with the double height entry foyer. We've got our dining room on one side. We've got our formal living room on this side. Don't mind the stuff you see throughout the house. My wife is a stylist and she's also been using this home as a studio and a place to meet clients. So once again, we've got our dining room and living room on one side. We've got our mandatory bedroom on the first floor. This room is 11 by 14. A lot of times the bedroom on the first floor becomes really more of an office because it's only a 10 by 10, but we've got everything that we have upstairs. A double closet, a light inside, hi-hats, crown moldings, 9-foot ceilings, and 2 huge windows. So beyond this bedroom, of course, we've got to have a full bath on the first floor. This is a custom tiled shower. This is going to be servicing your entertaining space. And if you have a guest staying on the first floor, their shower is going to be right here. Now, speaking of the shower, just little things, right? You have to buy your own shower doors after you buy a house. Check out the thickness of this glass. This is not a Home Depot sliding door. This is a custom ordered sliding door. We've got our Kohler built-in fixtures here. I didn't have to put a separate handheld inside the shower on the first floor. I didn't have to do a diverter valve, but everything's done. We really want you to feel like you got to pick the things that are in this house. And the truth is, I don't do anything I wouldn't want in my own house anyway. Now, outside of this bathroom, we've got your much necessary, mandatory, open concept kitchen and family room. We've got a Regency P36 fireplace with a custom quartz stone surround. We pre-wired for TV and internet in 2 spots. So if you don't want to be sitting here watching your TV, you want to see it from the kitchen, we also did Cat 6 runs on this wall. All throughout the house, you'll find Cat 6 runs for cameras, for TV, for internet, for wireless access points. So we don't have to start hacking open walls when you move in. You just get the camera guy here, you get the audio video guy here, and if you don't have somebody, I can definitely recommend someone for you. So back to the kitchen, the main entertaining focal point of the house. We did Fabi wood cabinets, quartz countertops. All the appliances are matching GE appliances. We did deeper drawers for the pots. We did a garbage can cabinet in a functional location with the sink in the middle and the dishwasher on this side. We did a Kraus sink, did a tiled backsplash, 600 CFM range hood. We did these built-in grills in the floor, which I really love because they kind of make the heating and cooling vents disappear in the floor. Got a GE fridge with an ice maker. And this is your hallway that goes to the garage and goes to the formal dining room. So upstairs, we really just went ahead and copied the Plainview 4 layout for a number of very important reasons. We've got this really nice wide hallway, and in addition to the primary suite, we have a separate junior suite totally on the other side of the house with a walk-in closet and a custom tiled shower, full bath. So on this level, we've got 3 bedrooms, a laundry, a full bath. Check out this full bath. I felt like too much gray and white was potentially starting to go out of style, so we've started to bring in those light sandy beige tones, a little bit modern aspect to your taupey beiges and cream colors. Check out this bathroom. We accented it with black fixtures, hardware, mirrors. I think it came out really sharp. We put shower doors everywhere, but with that bath, sometimes it gets a little tight with the sliding doors, so we left that option for the future buyer. We've got a linen closet, we've got a laundry, and always with these laundry rooms, we treat it like a shower pan. One of the most common insurance claims that you'll ever have is when your washing machine fails and it just leaks out of the bottom. It happened to me in my own house, but I happened to catch it early enough where it didn't make a big mess. But because this is treated like a shower pan, we've got a drain, it's got a rubber liner, a pre-pitched mud, and then a tile, just like you would do inside a shower, so everything pitches to that drain, and in the event, which we all know 7 to 10 years is your lifespan of a washing machine, when this fails, it goes straight outside, and you won't even know until you realize that your washing machine isn't working anymore because there'll be no mess here at all. Now we've got one of your typical regular 10 by 12 bedrooms on this side, but then check out the size of these rooms. This is unbelievable. And when you're building like a 3,100 square foot house, it's really tough to get everything you want within that space, especially with the bedroom on the first floor. But look at the size of this bedroom. We figured for a queen or even king size bed over here, again, pre-wired for TV and internet, hi-hats, center light, lots of natural light, windows everywhere. Of course, shelf and pole, all included, lights in every single closet. And we got the junior suite right here, which has a very generous size as well. Nice big sleeping area, a big walk-in closet. We included a shelf and pole, but if you're interested in doing something a little bit more extensive, we'll be happy to do it for you. That's a very nice size. And same thing here with this custom tiled shower, Kohler fixtures, and just really nice finishes all around. Now let's get to the best part, the primary suite. Come on in, where we've got this really nice high ceiling, generous sleeping area, pre-wired for TV and internet. We have 2 closets here, and they're really 100% finished. This one's got double hanging and single hanging, and this one's got a fully built out closet with shelves, with cubbies. It's ready to enjoy. Just move in, bring your toothbrush, bring your clothes, start living in your house, and check out this primary bath. In the primary bath of a new construction spec build, you're trying to check a lot of different boxes. Everybody wants a double sink. They want a soaking tub even though they might never use it. They want a nice custom tiled shower, and we try to include everything. Check out the thickness of this glass. Look at the quality of this door. And when you go inside the shower, more of the same. Kohler fixtures, a built-in niche. I love the fact that you can switch between your rain head shower, and if you're not trying to get your hair wet, ladies, I know that's a common concern. I learned that from my wife. You can just drop this down and you don't have to mess up your hair when you're taking that quick shower on your way out the door. Now, whenever possible, we try to put the water closet in a separate room. Nowadays, with these electronic bidets, we always put an outlet for the toilet, separate exhaust fan, separate light fixture, and separate AC vent for those hot, humid days like today. For those of you that haven't already built your home and moved in, I have some unfortunate news for you. In the town of Oyster Bay, they're not going to allow these high ceilings anymore if you want a house this big in this zoning. Meaning, if you wanted a basement like this today, you'd have to actually make your house smaller because the basement is now included in your gross floor area. So in this basement, we have a 9-foot ceiling while also maxing out the square footage upstairs on the first and second floors. And if you had to build the same house again today, you wouldn't be able to do that. Now with a 9-foot ceiling, you've got so much more livable space. You've got room for a bathroom, you've got room for a utility space, closets, a playroom. There's just so many options here that you won't be able to have with a 7-foot basement as the law states going forward. And of course, we include everything that you would need by code, fire rated ceiling. We added the spray foam insulation in the basement. Even though we didn't have to do it, it just completely transforms the space from a vapor standpoint and from a thermal standpoint. We did a 75-gallon hot water heater because you've got 4 bathrooms and nobody wants to run out of hot water. We pre-wired for your TV, for your internet. All your wires are down here. Cameras, TV, internet, wireless access points, even for your Ring doorbell. One last detail about this basement, specifically the electric. We all know that at some point we're going to be driving electric cars, so we ran a proper 50 amp circuit to the garage, not a little dinky 20 amp circuit that's going to take your car 17 hours to charge. We ran a 6-3 wire straight from the panel right to the garage to ensure that when you do make the switch, or if not, if you already have one, you have the proper juice that you need for a car charger, because electric cars are the future, whether we like it or not. Now let's go out to the backyard where we've got this outside staircase, which is becoming increasingly difficult to get permitted, also within this jurisdiction. As we take a quick lap around this property, I want you to be able to see the quality and the thought that went into every single aspect. These 2 AC units are sitting on a concrete slab, pitched away from the foundation. All of the gutter leaders go out to a 20-foot deep dry well. You will never, ever have any water sitting next to your foundation. PVC fence all around. It's ours. We paid for it. It's permitted. Sod in the front, in the back, sprinklers everywhere. We even have this really nice patio. You've got space to entertain from the day you move in, barbecue, whatever. You can always put a pool in. You can always expand with a covered porch or a pergola or whatever people are building nowadays. And from corner to corner, this entire property has been manicured to perfection. Thank you so much, everyone, for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram at Pinnacle Real Estate. And if you want to know what this property looked like before we did anything, before the subdivision, before the gut renovation of that 1940s farmhouse, or this new construction build, just check out some of our previous videos. Once again, thank you for watching and have a great day, everyone.